Today I made this Nutella cheesecake. I wanted to try something different. There is a little surprise at the end that maybe you guys weren't expecting to see. The first thing we have to do for this recipe is crush some cookies to form our crust. And we're going to do that in a plastic bag. Using a rolling pin. Crush these cookies into smithereens, or until crumbs form. Here is some cool ASMR that you guys are definitely going to like. So for any headphone users, you'll enjoy this. Here we go. All right, now grab a pie dish and pour your crumbs into the pie dish. And so the last thing we have to do before we can form our crust is melt half a cup or 1 stick of butter. You did not see me eat anything, so pretend like it never happened. All right, guys, and now we can form our crust. Now, what we're just going to do is mix the butter and the crumbs together, and then we're going to evenly press it down. Make sure that every part of this pie dish is covered in crumbs. And now we are going to chill this while we make our amazing Nutella filling for this Nutella cheesecake. Let's do that. While the crust is in the fridge, we are going to make the filling, which might be a bit too filling for you, maybe because it's a little bit too sweet, which this definitely will be because Nutella is very sweet. So onwards. In our main mixing bowl, we are going to add 2 sticks of cream cheese, or that is also equivalent to 16 ounces. How did I just do this? Wait. Next thing we're going to add is 1/3 cup of powdered sugar. And now we're going to mix these ingredients with our mixler. This is our new word for our electric mixer. It's called mixler because it just sounds good, you know? Mixler. Anyways, we are going to mix these ingredients. All right, now after we have mixed the cream cheese and the powdered sugar, we're now going to add some Nutella. It's actually pronounced Nutella, but okay. We are going to add 1 1/4 cup of Nutella. Here we go. This is why I have this right here. It's gonna be easier for us to get out of this bowl and into this one. Moving on, the next thing we're going to add is I shouldn't be doing this in front of camera. Next thing we're going to add is 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Man, I forgot what I was going to say there because this is just so sweet. I had like a sweet spasm there for a second. Anyways, let's add the vanilla. I'm going to redo that whole. The next thing we're going to add is 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And the last thing we're going to add is 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder. And here we go with our last mix. Perfect. Delicious. And now we're gonna add all of this contents into our pie crust. And right now I am just going to flatten it out to make it look nice by using a spatula. And now we're gonna put this monster in the fridge so it can chill overnight. See you tomorrow. Oh my God, guys, this is an amazing looking pie. On the contrary though, one thing that isn't professional looking about this pie is the creases on the top that I made when I was flattening it down. So I have the perfect idea to hide it so that then it looks like it's perfect. My idea is to make a ganache with chocolate and some butter. And we are going to melt both of these elements in a water bath. One important tip to know when you are doing water baths is you want to fill up your pot halfway of water and not too much, because the bowl that is inside the pot cannot touch the water that is in the pot. All right, guys, here's our delicious ganache that we're about to put on this pie. Here we go. Put it in the freezer, not the fridge, but the freezer, and we're gonna let it chill for 2 hours. So here I've got a decorated plate, and here I have a pie cutter. Now let's cut this cheesecake. Here we go. Oh my God, guys, it's coming out perfectly. All right, it looks so good. Okay, hang on. Here we go. Here is the result. All right, guys, it looks really good. Here we go. Oh my God. Look at this, guys. This might taste just really good. So let's eat, shall we? Because I cannot wait. This especially is really good. I think it is, because I like Nutella a lot. So I think this will be delicious. But here we go. Oh my God, guys, this is so immense in Nutella flavor. This is for anyone who would love Nutella so much. This is delicious. I like this a lot. I mean, it is a bit sweet, and it does have a lot of Nutella flavor in it, which can be a little bit of a problem sometimes, because maybe, you know, a lot of Nutella might be too much. This is really good. I like this cheesecake a lot. But on that note, I'll see you guys on the next one. And thank you so much for watching. And I'll leave you to me eating some Nutella cheesecake. Oh, but wait, actually, if you guys want, you guys can actually let me know what you guys want me to make. So if you guys need to make something that is easy, hard, whatever it is, I'll do a video on it so that then you guys can better know how to make whatever you guys need help on. So if that is like maybe some sort of like meat, I'll help you with that. So if you guys have any questions or comments, let me know. But on that note, I'll see you guys on the next one.